Oh, I think the conference was terrific. The series of presentations, high quality presentations, some interesting projects, but clear message in terms of the potential value of the Internet of Things in terms of enabling healthcare delivery.
I was actually quite happy that I came to this conference. I think I find that all of us in this field of Internet of Things or new emerging technologies like blockchain or even just getting into the big data game, we're all having some small successes in one area but still trying to find our way in other areas. It was actually a really great opportunity to hear from how some people have managed success in some areas, are trying to solve challenges in other areas, and even just informally having a conversations I thought was really valuable.
It's going to be taking home a lot of fresh ideas and finding but finding new motivations within my own work in this field. Seeing how everybody else is doing, it's inspiring.
Well, the conference is well organized, well done. It's got a lot of great speakers. The people attending have been a target market of ours for quite a bit. For 4 years, the IoT events has been part of our marketing campaign and promotional campaign.
It's really interesting. We learned a lot, and there were nice presentations about big data and IoT.
That's a great conference. A lot of people really collaborating, learning a lot, not just about this industry, but how other industries are learning from each other. So it's been very good.
The conference has been great. It really helps me to think about things that stretch my current reality and what the future might hold and how I can use data differently in my practice.
It's pretty good. We had a good amount of customer attendance. At least 7 to 8 customers actually dropped by the booth as well, and with good discussions. What was good to see was the variety of attendees from different verticals, from customer analytics to infrastructure itself and business as well. Did meet with a couple of C-level attendees, which was pretty interesting. So overall, very good experience till now. Yeah.
It's very interesting conversations and very interesting presentations.
I find this conference very informative. You had different people from industries, vendors, and myself from academia. Like I'm a PhD student who is working with smart hospitals coming here. All this information were like very relevant, and I would say for networking purpose it was very important as well. People from the same perspective or same field are together here. So I think it was a very nice or very important conference, I would say.
I think the conference actually had quite generous time built in for interactive networking, and it's a relatively small group and a small conference, so it was actually quite easy to get around and actually talk to everybody and get to know a little bit of what they work and how some of the things that we may do may connect. And I've been walking away with quite a few business cards of people I want to follow up with.
Yeah, being able to network with people. I've seen a few people that I've worked with in the past, so that's kind of nice to reconnect, but also to talk to new people about potential opportunities to work together.
Yeah, it's been an awesome opportunity to network with other people in the industry and get some new ideas and fresh ideas around how to do things differently, especially in terms of data governance, how the Internet of Things affects the future of healthcare. And
Lots of breaks, good interaction with people, and lots of new friends and contacts.
Yeah, and good discussion, good reaction back to conversations with all the customers.
Yeah, it's a great learning experience because we're finding that we're all part of one particular puzzle that we're filling in some of the gaps for each other. And it's a really good networking and a good opportunity to learn about what other companies are doing in this space.
Yes, the breaks were frequent, and since people are here having same perspective or from same goal, it was easy to connect and get their perspective, get their view on different things.
Yeah, there were a lot of new people in the attendees, and it was good to know new faces and some old folks from my previous organization. So it was a nice get together for us.
We're here part of ConnectCell. We're here as a sponsor. We spoke about really enhancing the patient care, the patient experience, which I think went well, and there's a lot of complementary solutions out here in the audience.
Organized, very much on time, and great location. Well done.
So some of the folks that we've met here are people of interest to us. The hospitals, the institutions, even the technology companies that attend here are some of the organizations we'd like to see and talk to. Great ideas come out of those speaking engagements that they have. We have some partners here already that have spoken and are in attendance. We're reaching out to everybody, and we're trying to make the best of it. It is a successful event as far as I'm concerned, and I would definitely recommend it to many, and I would come back with my team.
Yeah, a mix of different people from the healthcare side and other groups that are actually working to support the healthcare side.
Yes, new innovative ideas and very good venue.
Absolutely, I would definitely tell my colleagues in the organizations and some of my friends in different organizations to attend this, as there's a lot of information available through these sessions.
100%. So I think it does give good traction to the products that you're bringing to the healthcare industry. So it's a good amount of traction there, and 100%. I'll definitely recommend that. Yeah.
I would recommend who is working with IoT or big data or blockchain should definitely continue coming here.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. We'll put in the case and hopefully we'll be back. Yeah.
I absolutely would recommend this conference to any organization where you're trying to get into the big data game or to some of the new emerging technologies or Internet of Things, for example.
I definitely recommend it. It's well organized, well facilitated, a lot of really engaging conversations. I look forward to next year.